The given below line graph shows the number of students who use public and private transport to go to college. And here city A public value. What is the city A public value? 300. Next city A private value 250. Next city B public value. City B public value. City B public value 250. Next private value 130 or 120. 120. Every line is counted 10. Next city C, what is the public value? 200. Private value 250. Next city D, what is the public value? 200. Private value 300. Next city E, what is the public value? Public 325. Next city E 300. Public and private values are. What is the first question? The respective ratio to the number of students who use private transport and own vehicles in city A is how much? 5:4. Find the number of students who use public transport is what percent of those who use own vehicles are. And here one is private transport, another one own vehicles are. For the private transport in city A 250, that is represents 5 parts. 5 parts are 250, every 1 part are 50. Then 4 parts are 200. Means own vehicle is how much? 200. Is what percent of? What is the condition here? Public transport is what percent of own vehicles are. For the public value 300. Then 200. 300 is what percent of 200? 300 by 200 means 2 zeros are cancelled into 100. What a percentage? 150%. Next 42. The number of students who use public transport in city E is how much more or less than the number of students who use private transport in city C. Public value in city E. For the public value in city 325. City C private value 250. 250. How much value or more? 75 more. Next 43. Find the average number of students who use transport in all the cities together. Public or private? Public transport means all the public values are adding. 300 plus 200 500 plus 200 700. 250 plus 325 575. Already 700. Total it is 1275. Divide by 5. 5 how many times? 2, 4. What are the remaining? Sorry, 525 is how much? 125. What are the remaining 25? How many times? 5 times or not? What is the answer? 255. Next question number 44. What is the respective ratio between the public transport city B to the private transport in city? Public in city B, what is the value? 250. Private transport in city 300. What is the ratio? 5:6. Next question number 45. The number of students who use public transport and private transport in city F is 20% and 16.2/3% more than the number of students in city D. Find the number of students who use public transport and private transport in city F. City F value compared to city D values are. Public transport how much percent or more? 20% more. Already D public transport 200. 20% means 40. Adding 40 it will become 240. What is the city D private value? 300. 16.2/3 means 1/6. What is the 1/6 of 300? 50. 300 plus 50. 350. Then we required F total value. 240 plus 350. What is the total value? 590. Question number 46. Simplifications. What is the first one? 4545. What is the second term? 2466 divided by which one? 36. 36 6 how much? 216. 216. What is the remaining value? 306, sir. 306 means again 36, sir. 5 times how much? 180. What is the remaining? అంత పెద్ద టేబుల్స్ మాకు రావులేదు. ఫస్ట్ 2466 divided by which one? 36. What is the half of the 36? 18. What is the half of the 2466? 1233 and 1233. And third term it is 486 divided by 18 and denominator values same or different? Same. The numerators are subtracting or adding? Subtracting. 33 minus 86 means 13 minus 6, 7, 12 minus 8, 4, 11 minus 4, 700. That is 747 divided by 18. 18 for the how much? 72. What is the remaining? 27. 27 means again one time. What is the remaining? 9. 9 means half of the 1800. That will be written 41.5. Already 4545 plus 41.5. What is the answer? 4586.5. Next 47. First priority 86 divided by 28 multiplied by which one? 7 by 43. 7 how many times? 28. 4 times. 43 how many times? 86. 2 times into how much value? 8 to 7 800. What is the half of 2 how many times? 4? 2 times means half of the 8 to 7 800. What is the half of the 8 to? 4 1. Half of the 7 3 9. Out of 4555 we are subtracting 4 1 3 9. 55 minus 39 1600. End with 16. Next 45 minus 41 4. What is the answer? 416. Next question number 48. First of all, left hand side numerator, how many zeros? 4 zeros. 2% means 4 zeros are cancelled. What is the remaining? 7 into 9 into 8. 8 9 how much? 72 into how much? 7. 770 is how much? 490. 7 2 the 14. 490 plus 14. 504. What is the 9 cube value? 729. In that we are subtracting 504. What is the remaining? 225. It is which one square? 15 square. It's 49. First of all, percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. 23 how many times? 2 times. 73 to the 146. What is the 23 square? 529. 529 minus 146. End with 3. 12 minus 4. 8. Answer should end with 83. Means it is 383. Which option? Second option. Next question number 50. First of all, 12 cube. We written 6 into 2 power 3 or not? That will be written 6 power 3 into 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 8. Multiplied by which one? 6 power 4. 6 cube into 8 into 6 power 4 by how much value? 432 or not? Actually it is a into b divided by which one? C. That value written 12 cube into 6 power 4 by how much value? 432 or not? 432. Denominator 432, that is 12 multiple. 12 how many times? 2 times, 3 times. 12 3s are 36. Remaining 72. 72 means 6 times or not? Okay. Numerator power 3 cancel or not? What is the remaining? 12 square or 12? 12 square. What is the 12 square? 144. 36 how many times? 144. 4 times or not? And what is the remaining value? 4 into 6 power 4. What is the 6 power 4? 36 square or not? 36 square means 1296 or not? These two are multiplied or added? Multiplied. 4 into 1200. 4800. 4 into 90. 360. 4 into 6. 24. What is the total value? 5184. Next question number 51. First of all, left hand side value percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. Next, any other cancellations? 25 how many times? 525. 21 times or not? 25 how many times 100? 4 times or not? 4 again 2 times or not? Then left hand side remaining value 21 into 2, 42. Then we return 42 by something or 42 into something. 42 into something or not? That is equal to 52525 divided by which one? 25. 25 21 how much? 25 21 times 525 means we return 0 again 1 or not? Okay, that will be 2101 minus how much? 421. First of all 101 minus 421 80 or not? Next 2000 minus 400 1600 or not? 1680. 42 how many times? 40 times or not? Which option? Second option or not? Next question number 52. What is the 63 the? 180. 23 9 times 207 or 207. 180 minus 207 minus 27 or 125 minus 27 98. Next question number 53. First of all left hand side 15 divided by 24 into 30 or 6 how many times? 24. 4 times. 6 how many times? 5 times. Again 4 how many times? 40. 10 times or what is the remaining? 10 into 15 150 into 5 750. In that we are subtracting 240. 750 minus 240 510. Which option? First one. Next question number 54. 6080 divided by which one? 38. What is the half of the 38? 19. Numerator is divisible by 19. Denominator also divisible by 19. 19 how many times? Denominator 2 times. Numerator 19 3 is 57. What is the remaining? 38. How many times? 2 times. 0. 320 divided by 2. 160 plus 18 into 7 square. What is the 7 square? 49. 18 into 49 means it is 1850 times minus 1 time or not? What is the 50 times value? 900. What is the 1 time value? 18. 900 minus 18. 800 minus 882 or not? 882. Both are adding. What is the total value? 1042 or not? Actually what is the 50 times value? 900. In that 1 time are subtracting. Minus 18 or plus 18? Minus 18. 900 minus 18 means it will be 882 or not? Plus 160. What is the total value? 1042. Next question number 55. 3564 divided by which one? 54. First of all 54 7 times how much? 350 plus 28 378, but here value 356 or not? Means it is 6 times or 7 times? 6 times. 54 6 times 324. What is the remaining value? 32 or not? Again we are getting 324. How many times? 6 times. Then we are getting 66 into how much value? 11. What is the 10 times? 660. 1 time 66. Total it is 726 or not? 726 plus how much value? 3 or not? Total it is 725. Sorry, 729. That is which one square? 27 square. Next 56. First of all, first priority right hand side value or not? 50 into 40. 2000. Plus how much value? 1392. Total it is 3392 or not? In this one we are subtracting 367 or not? End with 5. 8 minus 6, 2. 33 minus 3. 30 or not? 3025. That is which one square? 55 or 45? 55. 57. First of all 540 divided by 18. How much? 30 or 3? 30. 30 into 450 divided by 30. 15 times or not? Means that is 30 divided by 15 or not? 30 divided by 15. What is the value we are getting? 2 or not? 2 into which one? 1 by 90 or not? Okay. Then total answer 1 by 45. 1 by 45. Next question number 58. I think easiest question. 54 minus 38 plus 16 plus 16 plus 13. 29. 29 and 24 difference. 5 or not? Next question number 59. Square root of 1,444. 38. Divide by 4. 38 by 4 into how much value? 18 or not? 2 times 2, 9 times 2 again 19 times or not? 99 the 171. Then question mark equal to written 342 divided by 171 or not? Almost 2 times or not? Next question number 60. First priority 35 square divided by which one? 5 square. Means 7 square we are getting or not? Numerator 35 into 35. Denominator 5 into 5. Then we are getting 7 into 7 or not? Into 4. 7 power minus 1 means written 1 by 7. Power and 7 cancel or not? 7 for the 28. Next PO paper. Question number 41. I think 41 question, free question. First one, constant term are negative. Second equation also constant term are negative. Both the equations constant term are negative means what is the answer? No relation. Next question number 42. 2x square plus 45x plus 252 equal to 0. Okay. 252, that is half of the 120. What is the half of the 252? 126 or 252, it is 21 multiple. 21 1 the remaining 24. 252 is divided by 21. How many times? 12 times. Means 252 we return 21 into which one? 12. Already here 2. 2 into 12. 24. Another one 21. 1 will be 21. Another one 24. Then x roots we return 1 will be minus 24. Another one are minus 21. And coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square are same. Then we are not written multiplied by 2, divide by 2 and divide by 2. And second one 2 into which one? 126. This one we written 2 into 126 means it is 18 into 7 or 21 into 6. 21 into 6. 6 to the how much? 12. 21 and 12 difference 9. Yes or no? One will be plus 21. Another one are minus 12. Initial roots. But final roots minus 21. Another one plus 12. First of all, negative 24 compared to negative 21. Less than negative 24 compared to positive 12. Less than negative 21 and negative 21. Equal negative 21 and positive 12. Less than. What is the answer? X is less than or equal to y. Next question number 43. What is the first equation product value? 162. That is written as 18 into 9. Okay. What are the final roots? Plus 18 plus 9. Next 475. That is exactly divisible by 25. Exactly divisible by 25. 25 how many times? 19 times. 475 కనబడుతుంది, లాస్ట్ లో 75 కనిపిస్తుంది. 25 మల్టిపుల్ అనే కదా. 25 how many times? 19 times. 25 plus 19 44. Then one will be plus 25. Another one are plus 19 and 8. Both are in less than or greater than? Less than. X is less than y. Next question number 44. First equation, entire first equation is divided by 2 or not? Divide by 2 or divide by 6? Divide by 6. Then first equation written 2x square plus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. No? Entire first equation is divided by 6. 2x square plus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. What is the first one product? Minus 120. But sum is how much? Plus 7. Then one will be written plus 15. Another one are minus 8. 15 8 how much? 120. 15 and 8 difference? 7. What is the coefficient of x square? 2. What is the coefficient of y square? 42. What is the LCM? 42. What is the LCM? 42. Means x roots are multiplied by 21 times, but y roots are multiplied by 1 timer. Yes or no? Next, what is the second one product? 42 into 15. 42 means written 7 into 6. 15 means written 3 into 5. 7 5 the how much? 35. 6 3 the 18. 1 will be 18. Another one are 35. Initial roots positive, but those roots are multiplied by 1 time or 2 times? 1 time. What are the x final roots? 21 into 15 minus 21 into 15, that is 300. 315. Next, another one 21 into 8 plus 168. Second one minus 18 minus 35. Negative 315 compared to these two values less than n, but positive value compared to negative values greater. What is the overall relation? No relation. First two cases we are get the greater or less than? Less than. Third case we are get the greater than. Then opposite symbols means what is the answer? No relation. Next question number 45. I think it is also free question. In first equation, what is the product value? Positive. Sum also positive. Initial roots are positive, but final roots are negative. Second equation, product value positive. Sum is negative. Initial roots are negative, but final roots are positive. Then answer x is less than y. Question number 46. Question number 46. 2 times the difference between the speed of the boat downstream and upstream is how much? 12 km per hour, which is equal to the which one? Speed of the boat in still water. Okay. What is the first line are given? 2 times the difference between the speed of the downstream and upstream is 12. What is the downstream speed and upstream speed difference? M plus S minus of M minus S. M cancel. S minus of minus S. 2S. But how many times we need? 2 times. This one I written 2 times of M plus S minus of M minus S equal to which one? 12. Okay. 2 how many times? 6 times. Plus M minus M cancel. Then 2S equal to 6. S value are 3. Okay. And what is the second line are given? Upstream is 12 km per hour, which is equal to the which one? Speed of the boat in still water. Speed of the boat means M value, that is equal to which one? 12. Means M value are 12. If M value are 12, S value are 3, then downstream speed 15. Upstream speed 9. We know the M value and S values. Obviously, we will get the downstream speed and upstream speed. What is the next line? Find the time taken by the boat to cover 54 kilometers in both upstream and downstream. First of all, we need to identify upstream time. What is the upstream distance? 54. What is the upstream speed? 12 minus 3. 9. 54 by 9. How many hours? 6 hours. It is which one time? Upstream time. Again, what is the downstream distance? 54. What is the downstream speed? 12 plus 3. 15. 12 plus 3. 15. And 3 how many times numerator? 18. Denominator? 5. It is 18 by 5. 18 by 5 means written 3 by 5 hours. 3 by 5 hours means written 3 hours. How many minutes? 36 minutes or 45 minutes? 36 minutes. What is the first case time? 6 hours. Second case time? 3 hours 36 minutes. What is the total time? 9 hours 36 minutes. Next question number 47. 47 question. The sum of the length and breadth of a rectangle is equal to which one? 36. Means L plus B 36 or L minus B 36? L plus B 36. Or the next line, the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to the half of the area of a square. Perimeter of a rectangle is half of the area of a square. The breadth of a rectangle is how much? 3 centimeters more than the side of a square. Or the L plus B value? 36. 2 times 72. That is perimeter. The same perimeter is half of the which one? Area of a square. Means 72 double 144. That is which one square? 12 square. That is side of a square. Yes or no? Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to the half of the area of a square. Means area of a square, it is equal to 2 times of 2 of L plus B. What the L plus B value? 36 into 2 means 72 into 2 means 144. A equal to 12. Next, breadth of the rectangle is 3 centimeters more than the side of a square. Means B value are 15. B value are 15. Already L plus B 36. B value 15 means L value 21. What is the question here? Area of a rectangle means L into B. 21 into 15. What is the answer? 315. Next question number 48. The market price of the article is 50% more than the which one? Cost price of a article, and shopkeeper offered 2 successive discounts of 16 2/3% and 12% respectively on the market price of the article. If the shopkeeper offering discounts on the cost price, then what is the difference between the selling prices of the cost prices of the articles is 600. We required which one? Difference between the selling prices or cost price? Selling price. But if cost price are given how much? 600. First of all, cost price we are always consider 100%. Market price compared to cost price 50% more means market price 150%. In this one, what is the first time discount? 16 2/3%. What is the fraction? 1/6. What is the 1/6 of 150? 25. 25. Sixth table వచ్చు 25 తో డివైడ్ చేయడం వచ్చు. 150 divided by 6. 25. 150 minus 25. 125%. That is after first discount or after second discount? After first discount. Again how much percent discount? 12%. What is the 12% of 125? Reverse మాట్లాడదామా? 125% of 12. What is the 125% of 12? 15. Minus 15 or plus 15? Minus 15. What is the remaining? 110%. That is selling price or cost price? Selling price. First time discount 16 2/3%. Second time discount 12%. 12% of 125, 15. 125 minus 125 minus 15. We are getting 110. Then what is the cost price? 100%. Selling price 110%. And already we know cost price value. What is the 100% value are given? 600. What is the 110%? 660. It is discount percentage are given on market price or cost price? Market price. And one more condition are given. If the shopkeeper offering discounts on the cost price. First case discounts is given on market price. Another case discounts is given on cost price. What is the cost price here? 600. What is the first time discount? 16 2/3%. Means what is the fraction? 1/6. 1/6 decrease means remaining 500. It is after first discount. Again second time how much discount? 12%. What is the 12% of 500? 60. Subtracting or adding? Subtracting. What is the remaining? 440. Okay. If discounts given on market price, what is the selling price value? 660. If discounts given on cost price, what is the selling price? 440. What is the question here? Difference between the selling prices and what is the answer? 220 on. One case discounts is given on market value, another case discounts given on cost prices on. Next question number 49. B alone can complete a work in how many days? 40 days. And B is 20% less efficient than A. The number of days taken by A, B, C together to complete a work in how many days? 15 days. Then find the time taken by C alone to complete the work. First of all, B can complete the work in how many days? 40 days. B is 20% less efficient than which one? A. Suppose A efficiency I consider 15 parts. A efficiency 15 parts. What is the B efficiency? 12 parts and 5 is called rule in the 5 multiple 5 3 the how much? 15 and what is the 20%? What is the fraction? 1 by 5. Out of 5 parts, 1 part or less means remaining 4 parts. Means one will be 5 multiple, another one 4 multiple. A efficiency is 5 multiple, B efficiency are 4 multiple. A 15 are taken, B 12 are taken. But B can complete the whole work in how many days? 40 days. What is the B efficiency? 12 parts. Then we return 12 into 40. That is total work. What is the total work? 480. And one more point, if the number of days taken by A, B, C together to complete the whole work in how many days? 15 days. 3 persons together in how many days? 15 days. But together work is how much? 480. Means A plus B plus C efficiency equal to total work by total time. What is the total work? 480. What is the A, B, C together time? 15 days. Total work by total time, we are get the together efficiency of 3 persons or only one? 3 persons. 15 how many times? 3 times. Again 2 times. That is A plus B plus C efficiency or only A? A plus B plus C efficiency. Already we know A efficiency 15, B efficiency 12. 15 plus 12, 27. Out of 32, A and B 27. What is the C efficiency? 5 parts. What is the question here? C alone or A alone? C alone. C alone means total work by C efficiency. What is the C efficiency? 5. What is the answer? 96. 96. We are not break the rule. Efficiency into time, work. Again work is divided by time, we are get the efficiency. Again work is divided by efficiency, we are get the time. First time రాసాము efficiency into time. Second time రాసాము work by time, we are get the efficiency. Next we return work by efficiency, we are get the time. Next question number 15. What is the probability selecting 3 shirts from a pack of 6 orange and 7 red and 11 blue color shirts and at least one of them is orange color? What is the question here? At least case. At least case means we return total probability minus other than the orange. Yes or no? At least case we return total probability minus other than the orange. Total probability is always 1 minus other than the orange. Other than the orange means how many red shirts are there? 7. How many blue are there? 11. 7 plus 11, 18. Then we return 18 C 3 by what are the total shirts? 24. Then we return 24 C3. Other than the 1, what is the 1 value? Total probability. 18 C3 by 24 C3 means that is other than the orange value. Total probability minus other than the orange, we are get the at least 1 orange. At least 1 orange means minimum 1 orange, maximum 3. Because here how many shirts are taken? 3. 1, 2, 3. If we return number of possibilities, in that case directly we return total probability minus other than the orange. 1 minus 18 C3 means we return 18 into 17 into 16 by what is the denominator? 24 C3. Then we return 24 into 23 into 22. And numerator 1 into 2 into 3 denominator value. Denominator also denominator 1 into 2 into 3. Both are cancelled. What are the remaining? 18 into 17 into 16 by 24 into 23 into 22. First 6 how many times 18? 3 times. 24 4 times. 4 how many times 16? 4 times. 2 2 the 2 11 times. Any other cancellation? No. Numerator 3 into 17 51 into 2 means 102. That one we written 1 minus 102 by 23 into which one? 11. 23 11 the 253 and subtracting or adding? Subtracting. 253 minus 102. How much? 151 by 253. Which option? Fifth option. Fifth option or third option? Fifth option. Suppose in the same question we required at least blue. At least one of them is blue means we return total probability minus other than the blue. If we required at least red, then we return total probability minus other than the red. Next question number 51. A shopkeeper had 250 kgs of rice flour and he had sold out of X kgs of rice flour and replaced it with wheat flour, and he had repeated the same process once again. In the final mixture, the wheat flour is 70 kgs less than the rice flour. Find the value of X. What is the initial weight? 250. In that how many kgs are taken? X kgs. Again it is replaced with wheat flour, means there is no change in total quantity. Initially 250, X are taken, again X are added, means there is no change in total quantity of the mixture. Okay. Again next time also X kgs are taken, again it is replaced with wheat flour, means total operation is how many times? 2 times. Operation is done in how many times? 2 times. But there is no change in total quantity of the mixture. Total mixture is how many kgs? 250 kgs. But the last line is given, final mixture, the wheat flour is 70 kgs less than the which one? Rice flour. Means sum of the rice flour and wheat flour is how many kgs? 250 kgs. And wheat flour is 70 less than the which one? Rice flour. Means rice and wheat difference is how much? 70. Then we are get the rice wheat. Rice flour is how much? 250 plus 70, 320 by 2 means 160. Rice value 160, then wheat value 90. Okay. What is the question here? Find the value of X. What is the initial rice? Rice flour initial. Initial rice flour 250. What is the final rice flour? 160. Then this one we return final quantity by initial quantity equal to 160 by which one? 250. 0 0 cancel. 16 by 25 means 4 by 5 power 2 or power 1? Power 2. Power 2 represents how many operations? 2 operations. If it is only one operation, we return 4 by 5. Okay. What is the initial rice flour? 5 parts. After first operation, rice flour is how many parts? 4 parts. How many parts are taken out? 1 part. But in place of 5 parts, already how many kgs are given? 250 kgs. Every time out of 5 parts, how many parts are taken? 1 part. Because before the first operation, how many parts are there? 5 parts. After first operation, 4 parts. Then how many parts are taken every time? 1 part. 5 parts are 250. What is the 1 part? 50. Next question number 52. Giri, Surendra and Kumar started the business and the ratio of the investment period of Giri, Surendra and Kumar is 5:4:2. At the end of the business, they received the profits in the ratio of 40, 26 and 25. And the difference between the investment of Giri and Kumar is how much? 1800. Find the difference between the initial investment of Surendra and Kumar. And in this one, we know the profits ratio and we know the time ratio. Time or investment? investment period. Investment period means time. We know the time ratio, we know the profit ratio. Then we are get the investment ratio. Investment is nothing but profit by time. Okay. What is the first one? Profit 40 parts. What is the first one? Investment 5 parts. Second one profit 26 by 4. Next third one 25 divide by 2. All these are equal to investment ratio or profit ratio. Investment ratio 40 by 4 means 8. 26 by 4 that is 13 by 12 and 25 by 2. This one we written every value is multiplied by 2 times. Means simply we written first one investment is how many parts? 16 parts. Second one investment 13 parts. Third one investment 25 parts. That is investment ratio or time ratio? Investment ratio. And the difference between the investment of Giri and Kumar. Giri and Kumar means first person and third person. How many parts are different? 9 parts. Equal to how much? 1800. But we required difference between the initial investment of Surendra and Kumar. Means second person and third person. How many parts are different? 12 parts. 9 parts are 1800. 12 parts are 2400. Next question number 53. The respective ratio of the present age of X and Z are 2:3. And the respective ratio of X age after 5 years, Y age after 3 years and Z present age are 7:8:9. What is the question here? Find the present age of Y. First X present is how many parts? 2 parts. Z present 3 parts. X age after 5 years. X age after 5 years means 2 parts plus 5. Z present value means 3 parts. 2 parts plus 5 by 3 parts, that is equal to, what is the second ratio? X after 5 years, Z present. X after 5 years how many parts? 7 parts. Z present value 9 parts. These two are in which ratio? 7 by 9 or 3 how many times? 3 times or just cross multiplication. 3 to the 6 parts, 3 5 the 15 and 7 into 1 part, 7 parts. Difference is 1 part equal to how many years? 15 years or 1 part are 15. What is the question here? Present age of Y. Present age of Y means what is the Z value? We required Y after how many years? We required Y present value and already we know Y after 3 years. Y after 3 years means Y plus 3 by Z present value. What is the Z present value? 3 parts are. What is the 1 part value? 15. 3 parts value 45. That is equal to what is the Y after 3 years value and Z present value? 8 by 9. We are not break the rule. Y plus 3 means Y future value. 45 means Z present value. Those two are in which ratio? 8:9. 9 how many times? 5 times. 5 8 is 40. Y plus 3 equal to 40. Y value 37.